Welcome. If a client bought something and he wants to return it, so the shop owner should make an invoice for the products that the client returned. He can do that by 3 ways. The first one is from the invoice sale return page. So we will search for it in the search bar by typing invoice sale return. And it will appear here. So let's click on it. At the first, click on new invoice to make a new invoice. Actually, you can choose the type of the invoice you want. From here, original bill type, and choose its type. You can even choose the branch, and you can make a specific number for this invoice. After that, choose the client from here, and then add the products that the client wants to return from the barcode search list if you want. So choose the product, click on it, it will be added here. Or you can type the product number barcode like that. Or from the search product list. This list enable you to choose more than one product at once, and then click on the sign plus the product will be added. After that, choose the payment methods. So I will pay all by cash, as you can see here. And then click on the check mark to save the changes. Post and print. So it will post this invoice. And then it will show you the printed invoice. You can export it to anything you want from here, or you can print it by clicking on print button. The second way is from sale invoice page. Just search for in the search bar by writing sale invoice. It will appear here. So after creating the invoice you want, go to functions button and then click on return invoice. So it will open the invoice sale return page, as you can see here. So after that, add the product you want from here. Select the products and then click on the sign plus or from the barcode. After that, choose the payment methods from here. So I'll choose to pay all by cash. And then click on the check mark to save the changes. After that, I'll show you the third way. It's from POS sale invoice. Click on it here in the main interface. And then go to functions button. Choose return invoice button. But of course, you will do that after creating an invoice here. So I will post and print this invoice. But I will choose the payment method first. So I will buy all by the Visa Master. And then I will post and print this invoice. So it will be posted. Now let's go to functions button. But before that, he showed you the sale invoice, as you can see here. So you can export it to anything you want, or you can print it by clicking on print button. After choosing functions button, click on return invoice. So it will open the invoice sale return page. Do the same steps like choosing the product you want from the ways I told you about. After adding it, just click the amount. And after that, click on the client. Choose the client you want from here. And then click on the check mark to save the changes. Now, to open the list of the invoice sale return, just go to the header, right click, and then choose search list. As you can see here, as any list in Al-Wasta, just specify the date you want. Click on Get Server Data to get you all the data relevant to this main period. So as any list, you can group by column by dragging and dropping this column in the header. You can make a sort. You can make a filter. You can even remove a column or add one. You can export it to an Excel sheet by clicking on Export button and then click on OK. So after choosing its location, click on Save. And then an Excel sheet containing this list will open with you. You can preview it by clicking on Print Preview button. And then you can export it to anything you want, or you can print it by clicking on Print button. And that was all about invoice sale return page. Thanks for watching.